Hello, I'm Eve from Grailzee. Now that your proof of funds has been accepted, I'd like to guide you through your timepiece's 5-step closing process. The timepiece should typically be in your hands in about a week. You can follow along in the order tracker under the My Wins section in your account. However, we also send updates via email and text, so ensure you have text messaging enabled. Step 1. Your proof of funds serves as your commitment to closing. It triggers the seller to ship their watch to our Watch Authentication Center partner. The seller should ship their watch within 2 business days of your proof of funds being accepted. You will receive updates on the order tracker when the watch is shipped by the seller and again when it's received by the Authentication Center. Step 2. The watch will be inspected at our authentication partners at Benison, who are leaders in luxury watch service, repair, and authentication. Their experts inspect every watch to make sure it's authentic and the condition matches the listing. In addition, they verify the performance and water resistance are within their specifications. Step 3. We send you the watch's authentication and condition report. The report will be accessible via your order tracker. While you look it over, the watch will be held in our escrow vault at Benison until you pay for it. Step 4. You pay the seller. Once the watch passes inspection, you have 2 business days to pay the seller via a seller-approved payment method. To retrieve the payment instructions, please visit your order tracker in your account. Please note that all sellers on Grailzee accept wire payment. Some sellers offer credit card payment, and others also accept Zelle. If you prefer to use Zelle, you will have to ask Grailzee support if the seller accepts it. If you need a payment extension, contact Grailzee support for assistance. Once your payment is initiated, please make sure to verify it on your order tracker to notify the seller. Step 5. The watch is shipped to you. Once payment has been received, you will be updated to select the shipping address in the order tracker in your account. If you have already set up your address, you can easily select it. If not, you can input it here. Once shipping is paid for, the watch is packed with care and shipped to you via insured, standard overnight shipping through FedEx. Just so you know, the watch will be delivered to your local FedEx center unless otherwise specified. Please note that FedEx typically picks up from Benison between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. Eastern Time Monday through Saturday, and watches shipped on Friday and Saturday are delivered the next business day, which would be Monday. We hope your new timepiece fits seamlessly into your collection. At Grailzee, your satisfaction and security are our top priorities. Thank you for choosing us.